Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving if you're having an issue. Windows Update keeps disabling or turning itself off automatically on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here, and then select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the troubleshooter. So hopefully in your case it would have been able to identify the problem. Something else you can try here too, if you were to open up the Start menu and type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. You want to go type in SFC followed by space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, hopefully you can just restart your computer, check for updates again, and your issue should have been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.